Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you will find this power key right here. So tap on it, and when you see the three options, what you want to do is hold the power off. This will change the power off into safe mode, so tap again to restart your phone into safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So let's tap on it again to confirm it. And in other words, what that means and what I just read is basically if your phone has problems, as an example, your battery is dying a little bit too quickly, you can put it into safe mode and see if some app is just causing that havoc for you and draining your battery too quickly. And if your battery keeps draining too quickly in safe mode, then that's probably gonna be answering your question that it's not the fault of some kind of malicious app, but more the fault of the battery itself. Now let's give it a couple more seconds, and there we go. We are now back in Android with safe mode being enabled, which you can see in the bottom left corner of the screen right over here. So this will be visible everywhere. And also, as you can see, widgets are not enabled in the safe mode. Now, when you're done with the safe mode, all you need to do to leave it is, again, tap on the power key right here and simply tap on restart. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And there we go. We are now back in Android in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.